Algal blooms are globally presenting a challenge. In Australia, they've got a huge algal bloom breakout, hazardous algal bloom, which is bacteria, not an algae. That's killed about 35,000 marine animals. We've had experiences from people around the globe about how an algal bloom breakout has compromised the wholesomeness of the drinking water or the public perception associated with that. So essentially what Kohtari is doing is we're building an AI data platform that is looking for all of the indicators that either precede or accompany an algal bloom. And we're bringing all of that together to give the water companies a predictive model for algal bloom breakouts. Kohtari is a founder-led scale-up organisation, has its heritage in data and AI, and we've got a blue economy mission. Essentially, that mission is to transform how the world sees and safeguards its water. We've got some really interesting intersection of novel technology. We've got the drone.
So the drone was sent up, the winch was lowered down, and the sampling collector will go 30 centimetres below the water and collect the water sample. The chain of custody app that we've developed, it's a power app, and it ensures that we have traceability of the sample from the second it's taken all the way until we've taken it to the labs.
We've got AI platforms that are available to us.
And if we can bring a combination of weather data, image data, connect it with our chain of custody application and combine it with lab results, then we can feed that into a model that can better predict when blooms will happen in the future.
These algae blooms tend to develop quite quickly. They are potentially a risk to our water supply and extraction points, and therefore potentially a risk to customers. So actually by getting early indicators, we can put preventative measures in. And so using the drone in this context is really great because getting that regular frequency of sampling and more importantly, the data that comes back. And if we can intervene earlier, then we can prevent things happening.
If you nip issues like this in the bud, it can result in less chemical usage, less operational expense, protecting the public trust, and meeting their compliance obligations and regulations.
Our solution is all about doing this often. Drones can make it more viable for us to capture this data regularly.
Ultimately, water companies have a responsibility to the public and to providing good quality water. We want to work with the water companies to protect the environment and to protect their reputation.